guys, it's next week, so I'm actually really pumped to be back here and carry on with the workshop. So today we're gonna rip these suckers out. I think it's gonna be an absolute pain in the ass. They're really solid inside there, but we'll give it a shot and we'll just we'll crack on with it. The plan is to actually start cutting these suckers up because underneath is bolted down, so I think we're gonna have to cut it under here. We'll see how it goes. We'll just start cutting it up and see how it comes out, so I'll give it a shot. Oh my god, guys, I don't know if you can tell off my forehead how sweaty it is, but bloody hell, this was a fucking nightmare. I'm sorry for swearing, but this was a hard fucking work. I was so hot and so annoyed. Just got a big ass fucking hammer, smacked the shit out of it. I'm not even joking. So basically, why I took the lid off is to see how it mounts inside. So hopefully we can get this whole rest of this piece just cut from inside and take it off. So what I see here is it's bolted down here, a few screws there all around. So I'll have a quick break. I think I deserve it, and then I'm just gonna cut those screws off and see if it comes loose. It is quite solid, but fingers crossed we could just smack the shit out of it and get it out. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. Well, it appears that it's really difficult to get the top off, but after cutting a few screws inside, I actually got it smashed out pretty good, pretty easily, which is really nice. I mean, this rest of the stuff is gonna come off nicely. It should level out, and yeah, fucking sweet, to be honest. Like, yeah. So we got one more to go. And then maybe we can start doing the floors, really. That's gonna be fucking awesome. So yeah, let's have another fag and let's crack on with it. Right, after honestly, that insulation, this shit, when it burns, it's the most toxic shit ever. Sorry for swearing, but I almost lost my breath. It's so bad, like you can't really breathe. Oh, it's horrible, horrible. But hey, we got it out. We got this side out. We got that side out. That only took me like best of half an hour. I learned mistakes from this one and bashed that out. Most important bit was the top bit. So I cut the top screws off beforehand, and then I ripped it off, and it came out quite good. And I don't know if it gives you some idea, but it gives us so much more space, and that's fucking that's really nice. I'll try to stop swearing. It's really nice, and that gives us so much more room to work with. So now we can actually clean this up, and we can start putting the floor in. So yeah, that's good effort. That's really good effort. I still need to tidy up these edges and stuff like that. Then I need to level out the floor with all of these screws. But yeah, I mean, one step at a time, and we'll make it sick. Sweet. Right, so we got the last piece of puzzle. And there we go. Hey, let's get this bed out to make it look a little bit more prettier. And that's one floor. It definitely still needs improvement. I mean, stuff needs bolted down. I need to put additional support under these bits. I mean, I might add just a bit there. Definitely need additional support under there. That's only as strong as that piece of ply is. But yeah, I mean, to be honest, I don't think it looks too shabby for what it was. You know, pretty stoked with that. So yeah. Morning guys, today is another beautiful day in Latvia. Not gonna lie, yesterday was probably one of the hardest days I ever had at this project. I was really exhausted, slightly annoyed, I had all my hands bleeding, so it was a hard day, but you know, we're making progress. I'm quite chuffed today because hopefully today we can put some paint on this pig, make it a little bit more prettier. Before we do that, what we need to do is we need to finish off a few bits. We need to put some insulation into the windows. We need to seal these shut. I found these nice pieces. So this bit here, if we cut it in the middle, actually fits quite nicely here. So we need to insulate these shut. We need to fill and close that hole. We need to fill and close those holes. Then we need to scrape all of this old paint off, and then yeah, we can put some paint on this. So I'm actually really chuffed. We'll see how it goes. We just need to go get after it really. So let's crack on with it. Right, so we have done the installation. Didn't take us too long at all. I have added the foam as well. So, right, I have cut these plank pieces. It's gonna go on top here, all around these bottom windows, and then I might just actually trim this up and paint it up. I'll attempt to do that. It is a little bit rotten there, but you know, oh well. It's, it's not going to be perfect, but you know, I think it'll be easier to work with. So yeah, we'll give that a shot. Well, I have made right old mess here, but yeah, I mean, got these bits done, cut myself again, but oh well, it is what it is, you know, no pain, no gain. Yeah, so really, I think it came out quite nicely. That those pieces made it look so much better. So what I'm going to try next, I'm actually going to try to cut these bits off, so actually keep this in place like that and paint over it, see how it looks. If it's super terrible, we can always put another sheet on top. It's not the end of the world. I just want to get a fresh blade and see how it's going to look. So yeah, you know, we'll have a quick break and we'll carry on.